Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about how to create a website using HTML language. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language that defines the structure of your content. HTML consists of a series of elements which you use to enclose or wrap different parts of the content to make it appear a certain way or act a certain way. The enclosing tags can make a word or image hyperlink to somewhere else, can italicize words, can make the font bigger or smaller, and so on. For example, take the following line of my content. My cat is very grumpy. Hypertext markup language is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. For example, content could be structured within a set of paragraphs or lists of bullet points or using images and data tables. As the title suggests, this article will give you a basic understanding of HTML and its functions. The main parts of our element are as follows. First one is the opening tag. This consists of the name of the element, in this case wrapped in opening and closing angle brackets. These sides where the element begins or starts to take effect, in this case where the paragraph begins. Second one is the closing tag. This is the same as the opening tag except that it includes a forward slash before the element name. This states where the element ends, in this case where the paragraph ends. Failing to add a closing tag is of standard beginner errors and can lead to string results. The third one is the content. This is the content of the element, which in this case ingest text. The first one is the element, the opening tag, the closing tag, and the content together comprise the element. Next, nested elements. You can put elements inside other elements too. This is called nesting elements. If we wanted to state that our cat is very grumpy, we could wrap the word very in a strong element, which means that the word is to be strongly emphasized. The next, empty elements. Some elements have no content and are called empty elements. Take the image element that we already have in our HTML page. The next, anatomy of an HTML document that wraps up the basics of individual HTML elements, but they are not handy on their own. Now we will look at how individual elements are combined to form an entire HTML page. Let's revisit the code we put into our index. Thank you.